find your purpose in the company. So for right now, it's cash flow. It's just building a really healthy, sustainable company just because I love what I do. And I love my team. I think we're making a difference. I run a nonprofit in Chicago as well. And we're helping a lot of people. And I feel like our runway is super long because we captured probably 1% to 2% of the market, and it's growing. There's not a lot of competitors who I feel like have the team we have, the systems. We have guaranteed results. Like, it sounds cheesy nowadays, but we actually have contractually guaranteed results, which is, in today's day and age, I feel like it's almost necessary.